Hello everybody, good evening. Good evening. As you can see the title, and I just announced on Facebook Club also that the title here is keeping yourself positive and confident for the exam. Actually this is a common query which I have been facing on my Facebook inbox for the last 10-15 days, that how to keep yourself positive and how to avoid negativity. These are just 5 basic points which I utilize in my own life as a student. We utilize, and as a psychiatrist, technically what I am going to advise you is how to avoid whatever the negative thoughts, whatever lack of confidence you are having. So this is just keep these 5 points in your mind. I'll be very quick here. If you miss any out of any point, rewind and play again. The first point is avoid comparison. It's not easy to do so actually. I say avoid comparison, you may still keep comparing yourself with others. At this stage, comparisons are not actually useful. You know, in the beginning of the preparation, if you compare and get yourself motivated, but at this stage, you know what, a feeling of hopelessness comes. At this stage, if you compare with others, your performance, your output, your input, what happens is you'll always find yourself at mistake, you'll always find yourself negative. So the thing is, what I'm suggesting over here is avoid comparison and negative discussions. Don't try to be a psychiatrist, psychologist or counselor yourself. You know, when your friends are negative and that I have not studied, and you try to boost up on themselves. You are yourself emotionally sensitive at this stage of life that you try to boost up themselves. But the more negativity you encounter around your life, like some students were saying that I am getting disappointed by looking at the people getting negative on dance club. Don't be disappointed. Don't take away the negativity from others. You know, negative discussions should be avoided. If you are discussing positive, discussing academic, giving each other positive resonance, that's good. But if you are discussing among each other, bhai tera bhi nahi hoga, mera bhi nahi hoga, dono ka nahi hoga, that's not good. You can't do, I can't do, nobody can do. Avoid negative discussion. Please, at this stage, ideally advisable is to stick to yourself. Avoid comparison and negative discussion. Next, if you want to be more confident, please start your day every day with the easy topics. And the topics you know nicely. The topics where you have interest. You know, don't start with a topic which you'd never liked in your MBBS throughout, which you never liked while preparation. You should start a topic where you know that you know the things, where you know that you are confident. You know, some of the areas of every subject or some of the subjects are always our favorites. When you start your day with that, for example, if you are revising some subject like psychiatry, orthopedics, and in the morning while revising that, and that's making you remind the teachers, the classes, that makes you a positive, gives you a positive framework. Even if you know those topics, still 30 minutes of the morning gives you more output throughout the day if you start with an easy topic. And keep on boosting yourself. What do I mean by keep on boosting yourself? This quote is very simple. Yes, I can. But it's not easy to say yes, I can. You have to repeat it many times. Self-motivation and boost is every minute is very important. If you are reading a page, while revising a page, we know 5 points of this page, we don't know 5 points of this page. Don't be negative focus. Don't have selective abstraction. Don't only focus on what you don't know from that page, rather focus on what you know from that particular page. Okay? Suppose you are reading 10 causes of some disease and you know 2 causes, you should gratify yourself, okay, I know 2 causes. You should not say that I don't know 8 causes. Try to say that what you know. Your mind gets a positive brain stimulation, it's a biofeedback mechanism, and when you know a topic, tell yourself, yes, I'll be able to clear this MCQ and I'll be able to clear this exam. It may sound funny, but the more times you have this positive rehearsals, your brain gets conditioned. Your brain gets conditioned and it helps you perform. As I always say, revise. Revise means re and vision. Focus more on visual inputs. Please. At this point of time, you should not read your copy with the hand on your paper and eyes closed. Just keep on looking. The more visual inputs you have, moreover, the last 10-15 days of your memory goes in your recent memory. So even if you have seen the notes properly, seen all the notes in these last couple of weeks, you'll be able to remember. Mark my words, you will be able to remember. Don't say, sir, mujhe yaad nahi rahega, I won't be able to remember. I am telling you, you'll remember. That means you'll remember. Yes, I know this topic. Revise more, recall less. Don't judge yourself at this last stages, because the more you judge, the more negative you land up with. Don't blame yourself for what you haven't studied. Rather, credit yourself for what you have studied. Last And the final point from this is we should learn from our mistakes. In these last 10-15 days, I want you to please spend at least 1 hour of the day in learning from the MCQs you have marked wrong in any of the test paper, class test, subject-wise test and discussion, anything. Please, the basic idea of giving the test and performing MCQs throughout the year was only one, that we should not do a mistake if such a question gets repeated, such a topic gets repeated. You know, every day and every minute you are learning, becoming wiser. So don't blame and criticize yourself what you should have done. I should have studied like that. Just these 10-15 minutes, I'll conclude my statement is, in these last 10-15 minutes, the person who will succeed will be the most psychologically sound person, not intellectually sound. Psychologically, what we call as EQ, not IQ, emotional quotient. Please maintain your nerves, keep yourself calm. That's more important. And today I am giving my final message from the psychiatrist section before you finally go ahead for the NEET exam. If you want to know how to attempt an exam mindfully, there is another video, you can see that. Okay, if you want to know how to maintain attention and concentration during exam, that's another video I have made. This video, I just wanted to say these many points to you. Wish you all very best of luck from myself, Dr. Sachin Arora, signing off. I'll see you all, catch you all after your NEET exam. If you have any problems, you can always contact me on my individual inbox. You have my WhatsApp numbers also. Wish you all the best. I hope you perform well. And the last statement I make, your exam will be best when, while writing an exam, you get a visual hallucination of your teacher and your notes, and auditory hallucination of your teacher's voices. You'll always find me and all of us with you in your exam. Wish you all the best. Wish you luck. Thank you very much.